Welcome to Silika Mag. This is an instant hijab tutorial, how you can cut and sew your own instant hijab. You can wear without any pins. You need stretchable fabric for this, and for cap also I'm using a two-way stretchy fabric. First you need to take your head measurement. Here is almost 21, but on my head is almost 22, so I'm taking it like 11. And from this point to here also you can measure your length for your cap, and just mark that also. So you need this piece. This is in two fold, and after cutting this we will stitch it from this one side. And you see this is two fold, and before that just make sure you fold the hem also, and also this side stitch. So I'm using serger here because this is knit fabric, but you can use regular machine as well, or you can use zigzag stitches of your machine, or just use a piece of paper, because knit fabric are a little bit tricky to handle on regular machines. So see, our undercap is ready. Now we will attach our hijab with this. So see, at this point you can check if the fitting of your undercap is okay. Now I'm measuring from one ear to other ear the measurement, and see here is almost 15. So you can also on your see here on the 7.5 I'm just marking here. So now I just take my hijab, and I just mark on the center of my hijab, and now I will pin the center with the center, and continue to pin up it till that 7.5-inch mark. So because we want to stitch our hijab till our ear, I'm sorry, till our ears. So, and now just pin up it, and now we are going to machine to stitch it. So all this way we will stitch here, and then I will show you how you can use it without any pins. We don't need any pins. So guys, if you like this quick tutorial, please press the thumbs up button, and let me know in the comment section that if you want more style for the instant hijabs. See, now it's almost done. Now I will show you how you can wear. So please let me know in the comment section if you want to learn more styles. See, that's how first you wear your undercap and set it according to your comfortable. So see, now we just turn it up, and now we just take it like this way, or you can wrap it around your head, whatever style you want. And believe me, it's very comfortable. Without any pin you can wear it easily. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.